What's up guys, in this video I will show you a project that has multiple investors from different huge central exchanges. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Okay, so this is DeFi's landing page guys. Link will be in the description of the video. Let me go ahead and head straight to where it shows the partners of DeFi, where it says you have Shima Capital, Huobi Ventures, Hoff Capital, you have Dex Tools, you have OKX, and a lot more, and you can go ahead and check them out to see how huge those partners are, and that will also speak up to the credibility of the project. Now here it says guys that you could actually invest and you could exchange your USDT, or you could also use credit card. All right, buy with card, you can click on that there, and this is the exchange of DeFi right now in the market. Now DeFi is actually a team of 50 people that has been building their product for 4 years already. So they're not new in the business, they're not new in the crypto space. They have been there and continuously developing the project, and has launched multiple innovative solutions guys, like crypto's first antivirus. You have crypto's largest social profile. They have 2 million plus users signed up, and then largest portfolio tracking dashboard and more. And just like what I mentioned earlier guys, they are backed up with angel investors from different huge CEX or central exchanges, like you have Coinbase, you have Binance, as well as the leading crypto exchanges like OKX, you have Huobi, Bitmart, and more. So who knows, right? Maybe the listings on these leading exchanges is coming soon, because if they are invested into this project, it means that they believe that this project will make it big time in the future. And not just that they are leading DeFi guys, this project is literally DeFi. All right, so let me go ahead and also show you the products or the leading products that are coming in the future. You have DeFi L2 chain, you have DeFi GPT, you have DeFi Connect, and let me show you this one guys. This is their scanner. All right, you could put in, just literally put in the project name, let's say Gala, and it will show you the Gala here for Ethereum, the Gala for BNB, and the other project that also has those first 4 letters, which are like Galactic Quadrant or Galaxy Fight Club. So you have this scanner right here that you could also use when you are trying to check out and see what are the contract addresses for certain projects or certain crypto tokens. And it's easy because you don't need to know the contract address. Simply type in the project name, the token name, or maybe the NFT address, and you could search it out here in this website. Just like what I mentioned earlier guys, these are the angel investors as well. So with the backing of visionaries, we are on a path towards revolutionary innovations and breakthrough. You have Tyler Wu, ex-Huobi Global Managing Director. You have Kevin Hu, General Partner at Dragonfly Capital. And then this one from Binance, guys. John Izaguirre, former Binance C Director. And then Kane Warwick, which is the founder of Synthetics. You could also check out the other ones. You have from Polygon here, from Coinbase, from the Paraswap as well. So those are your angel investors. I would strongly suggest that you could go ahead and check them out as well. Check out their LinkedIn, see for yourself who are these people and why are they branded as angel investors, right? All right guys, so before we head on to swapping the DeFi token with our USDT, let me just go ahead and show you this one guys. This is something that I find really helpful, because it tells you what is the risk of your wallet. So if you click on advanced mode guys, it will show you the different features that are coming soon, and I'm excited to know what benefits we could get out of this one, because it says here like watch multiple addresses for the address, bundle up to 10 addresses, bundles, and other things right here like alerts, custom security, token security, explorer, and the other stuff. All right, also you see here in Yahoo Finance guys, DeFi 2.0 sold out instantly for a $1 million round. OKX and Binance and Coinbase directors are among their investors. So you could go ahead and read through this, guys, if you would like to know more about the article. So that having said, let's go ahead and exchange our $50 USDT to DeFi. All right, so I already have activated this one. When I click on buy now, says here you pay $50, vesting plan is 4 months, DeFi price is 0.275, receive 181.818 DeFi. So let me go ahead and click on confirm. Just authorize that with my MetaMask, so it involves some gas fees, but not much. Then that's what I like with Binance, guys. So just let it rip. So right now it says that you have successfully joined the DeFi 2.0 round, 181.818 DeFi at $50. So you can get all of the information right there, and you could also refer your friends so you would get rewards. So you could use this link and give it to them. That way they could use that when they make their purchase. And until next price, it says here current round price is at 0.275. You still have 5 days, 13 hours, 10 minutes, and exactly 42 seconds before the next round. All right, and of course, make sure to stay until the end of videos, guys. Those crypto videos will definitely be beneficial in your crypto journey with us. And if you are new to the channel, I hope you would consider clicking that like, that subscribe, and click that bell. That way you'll always be notified when we upload new videos in the future. I'll see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.